How to permanently delete Facebook account in 2023. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how to permanently delete your Facebook account in 2023, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to permanently delete our Facebook account in 2023, go and launch the Facebook application. First, tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon here, then tap in see more in account center button, then just go to personal details, account ownership and control, go to deactivation and deletion, and make sure to select your Facebook account here. Now deactivation is going to get selected by default, so what you want to do is just select this delete account option, tap on continue, select a reason as to why you want to delete it, tap on continue, and then just tap on continue again. And all you have to do is simply select this option called continue from the bottom. Last but not the least, enter your password, tap on continue, and then your Facebook account will get successfully deleted. This way you can permanently delete your Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.